Hello everyone, welcome to Lanka Aviator. As you may have noticed, we have been improving the Lanka Aviator website to make it easier for our users to access and navigate. This is our homepage when accessed from a mobile. You can log in to our website to like and comment on our forum posts. To log in, please click the login button in the top right corner. If you haven't registered yet, you can also sign up there. You can also check out the What's New in Aviation section, or jump directly to any topic that interests you. Alternatively, you can click on Latest Discussions to see a summary of recent posts from our forum members. To mention a post, you can click the quote button on the bottom right corner of the post. You can then add your opinion or feedback. React to the post by clicking the emoji in the bottom left side of the post. Our new Analysis tab gives you more sophisticated data. Based on the data we have, it has graphs for better understanding. Check the Sri Lankan Airlines fleet using our fleet checker, now fully updated. Without having to check all the data, you can now check for grounded planes and more. This tab allows you to check the airlines which fly to Colombo, and the planes they use, now fully updated with search bars. Use our flight timetable for checking your flights. If you have a plane coming, you can use our various search bars and filters to find yours. Our buttons on the home screen can help you find our various things easily. Thank you for watching. We are planning to add more updates to the website soon, so stay tuned for more.